What are bookmarks? A bookmark is a timestamp. They are used in 360 video scenes in conjunction with door tags. When entering a video scene, it is possible to start playing the scene from this bookmark. Take this example, the tag 1 appears after 4 seconds. The door leads to the current scene, with a bookmark at 6 seconds. Now let's see what happens during playback. The tag correctly appears after 4 seconds. As the bookmark is set to 6 seconds, when the door is clicked, the video will start at 6 seconds too. The dependencies that should have been triggered depending on time are executed.